In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the friend request notification on Facebook. So let's say that you have earlier turned that off and you want to enable this. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner on the profile icon and click on settings and privacy and click on settings. And on the left hand side, we can see this preferences where we see this notification section. You click on that and here is the section of friend request. Open this up and it says notifications when someone sends you friend request or accepts your friend request. So if you want to push the notifications, that means you want to see it directly in the browser, and wherever you want to receive these notifications somewhere else like SMS or email, you can toggle that on or off. But I just prefer to toggle this off because that creates a lot of crowd if you receive those notifications on different platforms or different channels. But you can customize that according to your needs, and that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.